Hey there, woodworkers. Welcome back to the workshop. Whether you're a seasoned pro or someone just starting their woodworking journey, today we've got 10 mind blowing hacks to transform your projects and your workflow. Stick around because we're about to make your shop life a whole lot easier. First up, jigs. Ever struggle to cut the perfect angle? Jigs are your new best friend. You can create a custom jig with just scrap wood and a couple of clamps to help you cut with precision every time. No more guesswork. All right, let's see if this little beauty works. Bonus, it's reusable for so many projects. If you're into wood turning, hack number 2 is a game changer. Want a flawless finish on your bowls or spindles? Here's the trick. After sanding, use a mix of beeswax and mineral oil. Bonus points, it's food safe for those kitchen projects. Morning coffee addiction meets woodworking. Did you know leftover coffee grounds make an incredible wood stain? It's eco-friendly, gives your wood a rich, earthy tone, and costs next to nothing. All you do is steep coffee grounds in hot water for an hour, then brush it on. Who knew saving your project could smell this good? Organization hack incoming. Ever spent 20 minutes searching for your favorite chisel? Install a pegboard and keep track of tools by tracing their outline. Not only will your tools always have a home, but your shop will also stay neat and efficient. This one's for the woodworking purists. Japanese joinery techniques combine functionality and beauty. No screws, no nails, just perfectly interlocking wood. A bit of patience goes a long way here, and the end result? Pure craftsmanship. Bonus round. Bonus round. Fill cracks in your wood with toothpaste and sawdust for a quick fix. Can't open your wood finish jar? Strap a rubber band around the lid for extra grip. And when gluing, use wax paper to keep the mess under control. Simple but genius, right? There you have it. 10 woodworking hacks to save time, money, and a ton of frustration. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy woodworking.